channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna quickly review, give my thoughts on this hair from DSoar Hair. Thank you so much for sending me this hair to review. So okay, yeah, so I made this wig myself. I am wearing a 20-inch frontal with 2 bundles of 22 and 1 bundle of 20 inches in the Peruvian Curly. I pretty much use all of the hair. I probably had just a tiny bit of the 20-inch bundle left over. My initial thoughts were, when I received the hair, was, I didn't really know what to think about it, simply because like the curls were just so tight. I haven't worn like tight curls like this in a long time. Well, I feel like I haven't. Maybe I have, I just don't remember, but I feel like I haven't. I've been doing like waves and things like that, but not necessarily curly. Actually happy with how this came out. I ended up pulling the hair back because it is hot today and I just didn't feel like anything in my face. I mean, I'm actually gonna end up cutting this hair probably up to here or something like that and adding some volume. I've already added some bangs. You saw that I started to cut the bangs for this hair, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up. I'm gonna insert a picture maybe over here of kind of what I'm going for with this wig, but it will definitely end up being my wig where I don't have to worry about my frontal and laying down, you know, my frontal with glue and all that kind of stuff. I think this is definitely gonna be like curly bangs, volume, big hair type of wig going on. As far as the hair is soft, you guys. The curls are actually really pretty. The more that I like wear this wig, the more I've been really liking this wig. So I don't plan on straightening this hair at all. I think when people straighten like curly hair, it's meant to be curly. Like certain things you just don't want to straighten. If you're looking for like a versatile wig where you can maybe do straight and curly or something like that, I would stick to either straight hair or body wave. I would not get something like this and then try and straighten it out and expect the curls to revert back as normal. I would expect them to revert back, but I wouldn't invest my money in something that I plan to manipulate, especially with curls as beautiful as these. I think if you wanted to go for this hair, then you should definitely just consider having this type of look. You know, I like it. I like it because I didn't have to add any heat to this wig at all. I like the volume of it, and the frontal and everything laid down so well for me, and I purposely did not want to do any heat. So just in case you don't have a hot comb at home, you don't have a flat iron, like you don't have all that kind of stuff to really get your frontal to lay, something like this would be kind of perfect. Know how I see this look? I definitely see it just like beach time, vacation time, with your crop top and your denim shorts kind of going on. You don't have to put in a big bow like I did, but you know what I mean? Just a very easy look. As far as maintaining this hair, the more you separate the curls, the more volume you're gonna get. However, the great thing about this hair is that the curls are so tight when you receive it, you kind of can manipulate it how you want to. So you can create as much volume as you want to. It's not gonna come just like this. I've been running my hands through it and actually creating that volume because I do like big hair. Hair on this is really soft. As far as maintaining it, I would probably just suggest water and maybe a little bit of like mousse, like a curl activating mousse or something like that, just to kind of control the frizz that you probably will have, and just to control the curls and make them a little bit more defined. I wouldn't go crazy with product. I would probably leave product out of this hair as long as I possibly could, because when I added it in the front, I didn't really care for it too much, and I felt like that kind of took away the curl, which I have a feeling once I re-wet it and you know, get that product out of it, even though it's just a little bit, the curl will come back because I haven't used any heat or anything like that. So yeah, so that's it for this review, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below if you have any questions or comments, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JMarie. I will put all that down here at the bottom, and yeah, that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.